Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to perform the MAC address check of your REALME 14T. Alright, so let's begin. So we are on the IMEI info page, just like always. And now in this bar we need to type the IMEI number of our phone. If you don't know how to check it, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you the whole process, how to find it. So if you want, you can look for it. Okay, so once you have typed it, click on this blue button, check IMEI. Now we need to scroll down a little bit until we find the basic text. And in here, click on MAC address check. Okay, now scroll down a little bit. And now in this bar, we need to type our MAC address. Now I'm gonna show you how to find it. So open up your settings. Now scroll down into the bottom and click on About Device. Now scroll down again and click on Status. And in here we have the device MAC address. You can see it right in here. Now we need to type it in our bar. So that is what I'm going to do now. Okay, then click on Check MAC address. And in here you can see the result. So you have our MAC address, the company name, the company address, the country flag, the OUI, is it private, border left and the border right, assignment block size, data create and data update, and below we have 10 random MAC addresses. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.